But first, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on that bell to get notified when I post a new video. So guys, we're inside and it smells so good, so I'm really excited to eat these cookies. So guys, we're almost done on the line and I'm excited to try their cookies. I already know I'm going to get the sugar cookie. Like I said, that's my favorite. So I'm excited.
And I'm gonna get two and one chocolate chip.
So guys, we got the cookies and they look yummy. So I'm excited to eat them. And yeah.